Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here to teach you how to say it is sweet in Igbo language. So sweet in Igbo language means oto, oto. Some dialect says oso, oso, oto, which means sweet. So if you want to say it is sweet in Igbo language, you can say odi oto, odi oto. You can equally say otoka, otoka. It is very sweet. You can also say otoroto. Otoroto. It is sweet. Otoroto. Onatoto. Onatoto. It is sweet. Onatoto. Otoka. Odioto. Odioso. So you can say oso. You can say oto. That's how to say it is sweet in Igbo language. Many ways to say it is sweet. And tell me the one you find very easier in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to join this channel. See you in the next video. Bye.